and welcome to FTL TV. Today we're going to discuss something called the Relative Strength Index, a technical analysis oscillator that tells you whether the stock is overbought or undersold. It also tells you whether there's going to be a price reversal sometime using its divergence concepts. So we'll get into the details right now. Now you need to understand a few elements about RSI. RSI ranges from 20 to 80, which is called a band, all right? And the line basically is either between them or above them or below them, all right? Now, when the band is between them, so there might be a trend that can be occurring, or if it's above them, that means it's overbought, and if it's below them, that means it's oversold. So let's just look at the concept. If the RSI line goes above 80, all right, and it crosses 80, that means that the stock price is overbought and there's a potential selling opportunity right now. Now, what does overbought mean? Overbought means that there has been too much buying pressure because of which the price due to demand and supply has shot up above the price that it should be. So it's considered overbought and it will return back to its median price, or the price that it has to be, right, or the natural price. Okay. Now, if the price of the stock goes below 20, which is, you can see out here, it has gone below 20 out here. That means that the stock has been oversold. That means there's a potential buying opportunity because the price will increase and there will be a potential. Well, there's a potential buying opportunity because the price will increase and come back to its natural price, as I said, natural state. Now, this was how underbought and oversold concepts are understood using RSI. Okay. Now let's talk about how and when does trend reversal come into play. All right. Out here, you can see very clearly that the price line is falling. Okay. At the same time, you can see that the RSI is increasing. So there's a divergence, all right? Or sorry, this can be called a convergence, but there is a divergence. And this basically calls for something known as a trend reversal is going to occur, all right? This confirms the trend reversal that is going to occur. So what is a long-lasting negative trend will be converted into a positive trend, and that is what this divergence signifies or suggests. So this is what you need to be on a lookout for while you're studying RSI. Now, RSI is an oscillator, all right? It is a very strong oscillator. It has been updated many times. It is only based on the price of the stock. The earlier band was 30 to 70, but popularly nowadays it is considered between 20 to 80, and it's completely up to you guys. Where do you want to keep the band into to consider it well, undersold or sorry, oversold or overbought, right? So that's about it for RSI. Thank you so much. If you like the content that you're watching, please like, share, and subscribe to FTL TV. At the same time, if you want to know about our latest videos, please hit the notification button. Moreover, we have an application for you called Fantasy Trading League, which is basically India's first and #1 stock market gaming application. You can join daily contests inspired from stock markets and win daily cash prizes. So the app description and the link is given below. Go ahead and download it now. Thank you.